Hello and welcome to this series of videos where we're going to learn Roblox Studio. So the first thing we have to do is to go into create.roblox.com, and in here you want to log in with your Roblox account. This is also the website we call Creator Hub, and when you're logged in you will get this your creator journey starts here. So we have 3 steps, and one of them is just to visit a Creator Hub. Then you can go and read an intro to Roblox Studio, and finally you can go and download Roblox Studio. So this is the one that we want to click on. It will then check if you have already Roblox Studio installed, and since I don't have it installed right now, I will go and download Studio. Then I can go and check my downloads up here. It just downloaded Roblox Studio Installer, so we will click that one. And if it doesn't automatically start up or nothing happens, you can maybe go down here and see that it actually begin installing Roblox Studio. And when the installation is finished, it will automatically open up Roblox Studio. So that was actually it to install Roblox Studio. In the next video we will go and take the studio tour, which is just the very fundamental tools that you will need when you start Roblox Studio. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.